Welcome back to the InfoFlux. In today's tutorial, we will be interfacing a potentiometer with a Raspberry Pi Pico and displaying its value on an SSD1306 OLED display. This project is perfect for beginners who want to explore analog inputs, analog sensors, and display output on a compact screen. So let's get started. We will require the following components for this project: Raspberry Pi Pico, potentiometer, SSD1306 OLED display, breadboard, and jumper wires. First, let's connect the components. The potentiometer has 3 pins. Connect the left pin to be bus 5V on the Pico, the right pin to ground, and the middle pin, which is the output, to ADC0 GP26 on the Pico. Next, let's connect the OLED display. Connect VCC to 3.3V, ground to ground, SCL to GP5, and SDA to GP4 on the Raspberry Pi Pico. Install the required library. After installing the library, upload the code to the Raspberry Pi Pico. As you can see, the value changes smoothly as we adjust the potentiometer. That's it. We have successfully interfaced a potentiometer with a Raspberry Pi Pico and displayed the value on SSD1306 OLED display. This project can be a great starting point for more complex analog input and output tasks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.